Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another mandala tutorial. Today we'll be learning a mandala design using the basics of mandala pattern which we have already learned in the previous videos. All those who are new to my channel, please make sure you watch those videos. It will be very easy for you to learn this design. One more thing guys, as you can see, I've already drawn the circles and divided it into parts. Those who want to learn how to divide these circles into parts, please go and watch my previous video. I've mentioned the link in the description box. So let's begin with today's tutorial. We'll be learning step by step. Our first pattern is the drop pattern. Look, this is how we'll draw the drops. In the second step, we'll draw these two parallel lines, then start drawing the circles. Now we'll fill these gaps. In this third step, we'll draw these curved designs. Look, like this. And again, we'll fill the gap. Our fourth step, we'll be drawing the parallel lines. Very easy step. Our fifth step is the leaf pattern. We'll draw these leaves. And now we'll draw the outline also. In our sixth step, we'll continue with the fifth one and draw these curved designs. Since we have completed all the 6 steps of today, so we'll apply these steps in our mandala. We'll start from the center with the leaf pattern, the first step which we learned. Then we'll continue with the second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth step. Now in the center, we'll mark a dot . And start drawing the first step, the drop pattern. Since we have completed this pattern, now we'll fill the gaps. We'll mark the boundary. And fill these gaps. We have completed this, so we'll draw another outline. Now we'll go for the second step. We'll mark another outline. And start drawing these circles. We have completed the pattern, our second step. For the third step, we won't draw another line. We'll directly start the pattern. We have completed the third step. Now we'll mark it with the inner lines. We have completed it. Moving on to our next step. First of all, we'll mark the outline. Now we'll start drawing the parallel lines with the equal gap between them. Now for the fourth step, we will draw another outline. We have completed. Now our fifth step. We'll mark the leaves. We have even marked the inner lines of the leaf. Now moving on to our next step, the curved patterns. Since we have completed all the 6 steps, now we can do one thing, that we can repeat some of the steps from the same design to make it look more beautiful. In this design, we will be repeating step number 2nd, 5th and 6th once again. Once we are done with all the steps, this is the final look of our mandala. It is looking very beautiful. We would fill this design so that our mandala doesn't look overdone. We'll just mark these circular patterns. Now we'll make them solid. We'll fill it completely. This will enhance the look of our mandala. So we have completed. We can even shade some of the areas like this one, this middle area and this one. This is the complete look of our today's design. One thing you can notice is that I have only used a single gel pen. This is a normal gel pen, 0.5 Roretto microfibril pen, and I already told you that you don't require any special pen for creating a mandala design. You can even use a normal pen and create this kind of a beautiful design. Now I'll show you the final look after we erase all the lines. This is how it looks after we erase all the pencil marks. Hope you guys liked my video. Please share your views in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Press the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.